In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert forms to fillable PDFs with Adobe Acrobat Pro. We're going to take a regular form, maybe something you made in Word, an Excel layout, or even a scan of a paper document, and turn it into an interactive PDF that people can type into and save. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each part so you know what to look for and how to fine-tune the results. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro and heading to the Tools menu. Think of Tools as your control center. It's where all the specialized features live. From there, choose Prepare Form. This opens the form editing workspace and sets Acrobat up to analyze your document for anything that looks like a fillable area. Next, select the file you want to convert. You can point Acrobat to a Word document, an Excel file, or an existing PDF. If you have a scanned paper form, that works too. Just make sure the scan is clear and straight, with good contrast. Cleaner source files lead to better automatic detection and less cleanup later. When your file loads, Acrobat automatically looks for things like lines, boxes, and labels. It then places text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and other inputs where it thinks they belong. Consider this a head start. The results are often close, but you'll usually want to review and polish them to make everything consistent and user-friendly. Use the toolbar at the top to add or edit fields. Click to insert a text field where someone should type, a checkbox where T here is a small square, or a drop-down if T here is a defined list of choices. Drag fields to align them neatly. Snapping guides make this easier. Open the field properties to give each field a clear name. Adjust the font and size. Add helpful tooltips and mark fields as required when necessary. If Acrobat created something you don't need, select it and remove it. Also check the order of your fields so pressing Tab moves through the form in a logical sequence. You can reorder fields in the sidebar for a smooth flow. When everything looks right, click Preview to test the form as if you are a user. Type in a few fields, tick checkboxes, and step through with the Tab key to confirm the order and behavior. If anything feels off, exit Preview, make quick adjustments, and test again. Finally, save your work as a new PDF so you preserve the original. Give the file a clear name, and you are ready to share a polished, fillable form. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.